You might know this guy Hamza. He makes $56,000 a month teaching people how to build relationships and self-discipline to level up their lives. He has another program from which he makes $140,000 a month teaching people how to make money on YouTube. There's this another guy named Zedan. He makes $38,000 a month talking about lifestyle, self-discipline, fitness and mindset. Now look at this guy. What he does might surprise you a lot. He makes $70,000 every single month from this one YouTube video. And if you look at the video, it was uploaded 1 year ago and has only 28,000 views. All these people do one thing that earns them millions of dollars. And that one thing that will also make you insanely rich is building a personal brand on the internet. What is a personal brand? A very simple answer. When you hear the word Mr. Beast, what comes to your mind? Giveaways, challenges, never seen before experiences. But when you hear about Michael Jordan, who you are thinking about? Of course, a basketball legend. So what people are known for, their reputation and what others think of them is their personal brand. But hear me out. You also have a personal brand, whether 500 or 5 million people know you. The only problem is that you don't know how to make money out of it. That's why in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to build your own personal brand and use it to build wealth on YouTube, even if your current bank account is less than $10. Step 1. Value proposition and solving a very painful problem. If you want money, all you have to do is creating value by solving real problems. That's how you win the game of money. Here's how to do it. Even in a world where everything seems easier and perfect, people are still struggling with so many things. Everywhere you might see solutions and innovations, but these solutions and innovations causes different problems. An example that you could relate to is technology, social media and internet. Even with the advent of this incredible revolution, people are facing so many problems. People are now more stressed, less focused and confused. They lack patience, they are weak, they are screen addicts, they are lazy. These are all problems. When you keep finding problems like these, you are digging for golden opportunities. Now it's your job to do a research that what are the most common and most painful problems people are suffering from. What kind of people are facing this problem, what they are searching for, what they need, and how you can create a solution for them. So when it comes to creating a solution, it's all up to you. What skills do you have? What can you do with the skills which you have already? How would you use your skills to create a solution? Any skill you have, use it to create a solution that solves problems consistently. Focus to understand the root causes of the problems, because once you understand why this problem exists, the solution becomes obvious. So from now, stop asking, how do I make money? Start asking, what painful problem can I solve better than anyone else? When you start thinking like this, you become the kind of person who makes money. After you build this mindset, you need to take the second step, marketing. You could have the best product or provide the best of the best service in the world. If it's not seeing the light of the day, it doesn't make any sense. That's where marketing comes in. Marketing is about coming out of nowhere to becoming the center of attention. It's how you bring your product out of shadows into the spotlight. And in today's digital world, that spotlight is free and available to everyone. Don't get confused. This process is simple and straightforward. I'm talking about content marketing. You can do it by leveraging social media. Put your product in front of people consistently, clearly, and with a strategy. Choose a high potential platform like YouTube and start posting content about what your audience want. When you speak consistently online, you build trust and attract people who are ready to buy you what you offer. In this era, if you are silent, you are invisible. So get loud, get real, get visible. After that, the most important phase comes in. Offer and sales. Your product won't sell itself. If you don't know how to sell it, your product quality doesn't even matter. So how do you convince your audience to buy from you? For that, you need a killer content strategy. Your content should sell without feeling like a sales pitch. Here's how. Show them what they are doing wrong and what's possible. Let them imagine how your product can help them and what they will get by using your product. Slide in the offer naturally. Don't scream buy now. Just make it obvious how your product helps. And remember one thing, the amount of money you make has no correlation with the followers you have and the views you get. because a video viewed by a few thousand right people will make you more money than a video viewed by 1 million random people. This brings us to offer creation and sales. Don't just sell a product, sell a transformation. Solve a real painful problem. Make a clear promise of change. Stake the value so high that saying no feels like they are missing out, because someone out there is stuck, frustrated, and waiting for a solution, and you might be the one who can change their life. And that's the path to wealth. And yes, it works because it has already worked for millions of people. And remember, we are not chasing money, we are building value, and value always outstrips money. I hope you are now more aware of the money making war. The only thing left is your action. Use your knowledge and skills and start building wealth now. When you follow the right steps, I believe you will get what you want. I hope my video was a helpful resource for you. I'll keep making more videos like this. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you there.